Good morning, Ken at NUTLEY Kia, introducing you to a 2018 Kia Soul Plus. That's right, this is a Plus. Miles on the car, 34,500 miles. Listed at 16,000, ultra clean, ultra one owner, clean Carfax. Body's in pristine shape. Interior is absolutely perfect. This car features an oversized screen, backup camera, intelligent voice controls on the steering wheel, cruise control. Even has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can hook your smartphone up to the car. Have full integration. Back seat. Lots of room. The rear hatch. You can see the backup camera right there. Ample storage with a privacy screen. This car is not going to last long. It's a recent arrival to our fleet. We look forward to seeing you very shortly. And come on down and ask for Ken.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.